Like, comment, subscribe. Big Amount TV, baby. It's going down.
That's that chronic. I'm good now. I'm good.
Yeah. We at Truth BBQ downtown Houston. Big Amount TV. We gonna see if they let me make a little video. I don't know. Truth BBQ. I think they on like the Texas top something list. I don't know. They said no. I don't know. I guess I know what's his name? One of them YouTubers did a video here and he left a bad review, so I guess he said I couldn't. Damn, bro. They said no. Truth BBQ. Man, what's his name? I think Mr. Chime Time did a video here. So I don't know if they, you know, because he said they was overrated, or I don't know why, but they said no. So on to the next. Dang, man, sucks. It's all good. I'm gonna figure something out. Big Amount TV, baby. I'm about to go to Shipleys Donuts. You know, I'm back in my food vlog and stuff. Hopefully they let me do this though, you know. And I was gonna go to a Shipleys by where I live, but shit, since I'm over here, I'm gonna take show y'all the one that's right around from the house I grew up at. Hopefully they say yes. I don't know though, man. They might say no. Hopefully they say yes. But yeah, bro, this is where I grew up at, bro. We used to walk up here when I was a kid, bro. Man, them hoes probably gonna say no. If not, I'm still going somewhere else today. Hopefully they say yes, but y'all look, this is where I grew up at. A lot of this shit wasn't here though. City Trends, they put this here when I was like in middle school. The cleaners. Y'all probably like, who keeping the cleaners open? Them old people like my daddy. Nigga be starched down. Joe Bella, I don't think that was their Dollar General. This hoe been here since I was a kid. Dairy Queen. You know what I'm saying? Oh, gotta cross the street, look both ways. Food store, one stop. That hoe been there since forever. That hoe ain't been there forever. Pawn shop, washateria. Next, Brentwood, Fish, the Caesars. They put that there when I was in like high school, middle school. Church has been there forever. My grandparents was going there. Dance hall. I mean, not hall. They teach you how to dance. Hair stove, teas, daiquiri. That haven't been there forever, but that's been there. Timmy Chan, Yimmy Yams. Man, them hoes there, bro. They so scandalous, bro. I don't know, bro. Them hoes scandalous, bro. Fiesta over there. But I'm about to take y'all to Shipleys. For my out of town subscribers. Hopefully they let me do this. If not, I'm just gonna go to a barbecue place later. I'm still gonna go, but hopefully they let me do this. I don't know, they might not. I don't think it's the same black lady that was in there. So look at this boy, he just walking out the street. Get out the way, cuz. Hopefully they let me do it. Mo City, baby, Missouri City. Well, they said no. I'm gonna try one more, bro, and after that shit, I'm gonna just go. I'm gonna just probably go to the barbecue place later. The bitch said, excuse me, the lady said no, so. But they said no. Shipleys. Like, I don't know. Maybe I didn't explain it right, but the way she was looking, it was like I think she was gonna say no regardless. So I'm gonna try one more. Hopefully they don't say no, but they might do. So if they do, I'm gonna be upset. I'm upset. Alright. We at Shipleys Donuts. I had to go to another one because the lady at the one by my old house told me no. So we at Shipleys Donuts, baby. It's going down, baby.
La dona. Okay. 1 second. Okay. Ready, ready.
Yes, ma'am.
Este es para el YouTube. Para el YouTube. Mira, little fea. Este va para TikTok. Sí, sí.
Y'all done cooking? You done cooking?
Yeah.
Like, comment, subscribe. Big Amount TV, baby. It's going down.
That's that chronic. I'm good now.
No,
I'm good.
yeah.